Greetings everyone. Good to see you again. This character isn't so good as the one that I had intended to face Sif on. It turns out, however, the character I was going to face Sif on has already fought Sif. So, here we are, with my Gargoyle Helm, my Sorcerer Boots, my Sorcerer Catalyst, my Grass Crest Shield +2, and my Rapier. And we're going to lose, I'm fairly certain. Got 50 in, which is nice. I'm going to get up to 20 decks, and I may as well show you what I plan on doing. I plan on using Ricard's Rapier. But, yeah. Woo! So, let's do this, shall we? I'm in this big-ass gate. Gonna have a swig of my tea whilst it's doing it. And walk in. Now then. I should probably act oh, my bad. Do. Probably do this. Run round here. Hopefully not activate the cutscene yet. Grab the Hornet Ring. What does it do? Boosts crits. Well, I don't have crit at the moment, but that'll be useful getting through Ornstein and Smaug, because I haven't done that on this character. Big ass sword that I was talking about. Go to touch it. We're not going to get the same cutscene as we would have, because this one I don't think has saved Sif in Ulasil. Yeah, different cutscene. And this is not a good time for my controller to disconnect. Oh dear. Well guys, you're not going to see that cutscene, but oh well. Come on, self, hurry. Poke Sif. Ow. Yeah, well, I told you we'd lose. How's the battery doing on this? We're at 2, that'll be why it keeps disconnecting. I don't know why it keeps liking to disconnect at 2, but it does. So, what's going to happen is I'm going to professionalism this, and I'm going to run downstairs whilst this is still going, grab some more batteries if we have any. Be right back. Don't know if you heard it, and if you did, then ouch, but I just fell up the stairs. Oh my, that hurt my finger and my toe. Actually, it hurt 2 toes, 1 finger, and my head. Oh, it didn't hit my head or anything, but you know. Right, battery swap time. Goes in this way. It's been a while since we've done one of these, hasn't it? Bit of the old nostalgia. Oh! I need to do my vlog, and because I'm recording this on Monday, so it's the only time I'm going to get. But yeah. I'm not going to go back and try and kill Sif, I just wanted to show you guys the area. But yeah, I need to let everyone know that there'll probably be a period of time when I won't be able to upload any videos. I mean, I'm gonna try and get a few to like be scheduled, so then they will upload. Just I won't, but it means I'm gonna have to work my fucking ass off to get 10 days worth of videos done, along with the videos I normally do in the period of like a week. No, 2 weeks, I think. Anyway, the one that I was going to do was Lance, but he's already killed Sif. And Spare Reeve has also already killed Sif. So we were just on Reverend. Anyway, back to normal Reverend. Just saying, you may have seen my character for Whale. It's because, if I remember correctly, my friend Scott, also known as Whale, on his YouTube channel tried to do a Dark Souls playthrough. Well, he started one on his old YouTube channel, and it really amused me because he was really bad at the game. He was like worse than I was. Admittedly, it was his first time playing, and whereas I'd already been playing for like a year. But yeah. Oh, forgot to mention, we made it here to Seafland. I should probably put this on and wait for my health to heal back to full. Because I'm not in a hurry today. Because I don't have to leave the house for another like 50 minutes. So it's all good. Dun dun. These clams really fucked me up. I had 15 flasks, either 14 or 15 flasks when I got to this bit. And now we have, you know, 4. So these clams really fucked me up. But I've got my shield, getting my healing going. And I can tell you why I'm going to need to prepare all those videos whilst we just come around here, spam emotes and stuff. Well, what's going to happen is me... Is there an emote that works for that? No. Okay, well I am going to be going abroad for 10 days with a brilliant charity that I know. Doing a cultural youth exchange. Hopefully, I think 4 of my friends will be able to make it. But, they might not. Currently, I know 2 have said that they will be coming. But that leaves the other 2. So, basically, it's to Azerbaijan. Can't remember the dates specifically, but I'll be going there. I'll hopefully do some recording whilst I'm there, show like sightseeing and stuff, and then I can put together a little thing when I get back of all that. But it's 10 days, which would mean, I don't know, like at least 6 of these videos, along with 2 vlogs, to be pre-prepared, ready for that time period. Right, I'm gonna say that that's enough healing for now. And let's go try and kill this zombie bitch, known as Seath, the Scaleless. Is this a cutscene? It is. That's an ugly mask. I did have the onion helm on, but it was too heavy, so I had to switch it out. The Crystal of Immortality. Behind you.
I am Seath. I have no scales and I cannot see.
But I knew you were here. Do 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 do. Slice. How you doing, Seath? Feeling particularly mortal again? Face my lightning! Ow. I wonder if emit force. Ow. I'm just gonna heal. I'm gonna get my shield up. I'm gonna run. Run around here. You're meant to be blind. Oh no! It's the cursed crystal rock stuff they used to murder us before. Ow! Ow! That hurt, man. Am I dead? Fucking hell. I was told that this was an easy fight. Oh well, at least now you get to witness my travel back there. You know, I think it's going to be brilliant for me when I complete this game. I know it's very off topic from the Azerbaijan trip that I was talking about, but I don't really think there's much more to tell you. So, I can go back to my random nonsense talk, which is obviously what I'm known for. So yeah, what I wonder, right, is whether why do I only have 5 flasks? Oh, I remember. It's because I haven't kindled that bonfire, have I? I wonder, is there any summons you can make for Sith? I suppose probably not. Because I know if you play the game in a certain way, you need to get bare humanity for this. You can summon Solaire, rest in peace, to help with the last boss of the game, and but I don't think that for any of the other Lord Soul ones you can. I've never looked into it, to be honest. I think it'd be cool if you could summon like Knight Kirk for the Witch of Izalith fight. Come on. Cool. Made it. Run! Boom. Made it up here. Don't want to start a fight with no butterflies. Roll, please! Yeah! Hello, Golem. And drop of whatever you are. I don't know how to get back up here if I were to fall, so I'm just gonna wait up here because I can always come back and fight you later. Come on, Frost, I need your help. I don't like this Invisibridge bit. It takes me so very long. I have a sword in my shoulder. That looks painful. Anyway. The reason it takes me so long is because any progress I make can easily be expunged if I fall off. So, I try to avoid falling off at all costs by being slow. Oh yeah, I've done the sea fight before. I've never won, but I tried the sea fight before and then got fucked up by the clams. Hence why I tried to kill the clams first. On this fun. Please say they don't respawn. Fuck's sake! Why would you do that? Just why? Come on, clam. Come on, clammy. Put your head down and do your thing. Come on, try and charge me. Oh god, why are there 2 of you? Dicks. Taste my lightning! Fuck off! No! Psh, ah, fuck! My fucking horn! Anyone who got that reference, you are a wonderful human being. Absolutely wonderful. Ow. Guys, calm down. Okay? I realize you're angry, but there's no need to be so rude. Jeez. Purging stone, Purging stone, purging stone, purging stone. You can't see me. I'm invisible! Or camouflaged, that works too. Gotta be healing. Oh, healing up. Healing up. Everybody's gotta be healing up. Healing up, yeah. I think I'm getting better at fighting these clammy mobobs. No drop? Okay. Nice skulls though. Look at them. Oh yes. C'est beautiful. Oh yes. Very much. Very nice. Very good. Very tweet. Tweet. I didn't see you there, laddie. Until you started moving. And then you were on your way towards me. Now it's time for you to die. You clammy bastard. Get fucked, mate. Tour love means a lot to me. It really truly do. Twinkling Titanite? Fucking hell, man. I really think you should be able to Twinkling Titanite, like get large Twinkling Titanite and go to plus 10 twinkle weapons. Ah no, aggro 2. What is this? What is life? Life is pain, that's what life is. It's just good. What the fuck is that? That's a grab attack. I've never seen that before. Can confirm. New animation for me. Owie. Don't be a meanie butt. Bitch. That's easy moves for me to counter. Okay. Oh, is that shiny enough for another drop? Oh, it is. Oh, yes. Very nice. Very nice indeed. I suppose I could maybe use a heal. And then I guess I should probably find... Mask of the Mother is health, right? Yeah. What's the best curse resist? Artorias or Havel? Okay. What about on their actual armor? Havel. By 0.2. Ooh, painting Guardian robes. Not as good as Artorias, which is what I was wearing. But the waistcloth's better than the fire resist one. Unsurprisingly. Right. And then I need to change back to that. And can I put that on and not heavy roll? Alright then. I guess we can do this. I don't know if it's actually tangibly there, but whatever. We are a painting guardian with the helm of Artorias, even though it looks goofy as all hell. Take 2. Sif the Scaleless. You jammy sod. Oh man, you gotta destroy the crystal again. What is this? Seriously. Made me waste 2 lightning bolts. I mean, I guess it makes sense that he can, like, just fix the crystal, because he made it in the first place, but still. Get sliced, get diced, get murdered, you bitch. Get lightninged. Get more lightninged. How about a 3rd bit of lightning? Dragon. I'm gonna emit some force towards you, and it does nothing. Ow. Spiky. Not cool, dude. Not cool. Okay, emit force is useless here. I'll find something else. I wonder what Dragon McGee over here's weakness is. Because every boss has to have a weakness to something. Did it say? Oh. I was gonna say, I was like, why is there an A button pop up? I was like, oh yeah, souls. I had those once. Can't see. Come on. Come on. That's right, do your laser. Fire your laser. Your curse laser. Don't you slide towards me, you creepy ass bastard. It's a good question. Why are you all tentacly? Because I know that you didn't used to be tentacly because you're in the cutscene at the start. Is it because your wings went pink? Don't get greedy, Reeve. Gotta play it smart. If you can bait him into doing that laser again, you can probably win. Come on, self. You can defeat this scaleless, hideous creature of strangeness. That looks like he's doing his laser again. Oh, you missed. Why did you miss? Oh well, made it anyway. Bitch! Get fucked! Hey, you saw my achievement. Let's see what I've got, shall we? Dun dun dun. Gotta get that one at some point, but I'm nowhere near there. I'm not like an achievement hunter or anything, but you know, yeah, you know. Broken immortality crystal. Wonder what that does to someone. Like if I were to somehow link my soul to it, wonder what that'd do for me, you know? Well, I've got my int that I need for the sword, so I guess I should just get strength up more, right? Actually, dunno. More Vite would probably be useful, as would more endurance. I'll try and get my Vite up to 25. That'll be my next thing on the to-do list. Is this reinforce? Yeah. Gotta get up that greatsword of Artorias, we do. My phone just buzzed, it did. I wonder why. Don't have enough souls to get it +4. Oh well. Get some warpage on. Who's left? Well, there is that one thing. We've got to do. We've got to kill Bitch of Izaleth. But we also need to kill the 4 kings. So, I'm going to come up here. Then, if I have any, I'm going to pop some souls. And then, what I is going to do, bruv, right? Whoa, 3 emails from school. Bloody heck. Bloody heck, I say. Anyway, what was I saying? Pop souls, upgrade Artorias weapon, and then go see what we can do about these 4 king bastards, shall we? I think we shall indeed. So, what we got to pop? Oh, nothing. We got nothing, bro. Is there anything in our bottomless box? Fuck ton of humanity. We've got Solar Smough, but not really, no. Fucksake. Looks like we just got to go grind 2,240 souls from somewhere. Dun 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 dun. Hello, Framped. Yeah. I much prefer Darkstalker Karth. Not only is his name cooler, but his faction seems cooler too. You get 60 each from this. So, this is going to be a long trip. Especially when you've got to wait for them all to put the head on. Maybe I should have went the other direction. Get 600 for him, so that means I should actually be alright. Do, 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 do. Okay, so I need another 500 exactly. Okay, let's see what these hollow mobs can do. Hello, Snookly Crow. Boom. You know, I found out recently that you can fall down there, and it's all good. It's all good. You use the force. Oh, hello, Sieglind. When did you get here?
Oh, with those managers, but I haven't found my...
No, I haven't, sorry.
I will continue searching a bit longer.
Where would he be?
Yes, I will continue.
Did I kill him? I don't know. Well, I feel like I probably did. But then he gave me emit force. You know what, guys? I think that I'm going to leave it here. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and yeah. I may pick up recording just for another thing in a moment, but for now, I'll catch you cats on the flip-flop, and goodbye.